video, I'll show you how to install the NetMirror app on your Mac so you can enjoy a massive library of movies and TV shows without needing multiple subscriptions. While NetMirror is officially an Android application, there are two very easy ways to get it running on your Mac OS device depending on whether you have a newer Apple, Silicon chip, or an older Intel model. If you have a modern Mac with an M2, M1, or M3 chip, you can often find the official NetMirror app directly in the Mac App Store because these computers can run iPhone and iPad apps natively. To do this, you simply open the App Store on your Mac and search for NetMirror in the search bar. When the results appear, you should click on the tab labeled iPhone and iPad apps to see the correct version and then click the Get button to start the installation. Once the download is finished, the app will appear in your application folder. You can launch it just like any other program on your computer. For those using an Intel based Mac or if the app is not appearing in your store, you can use the web version which works exactly like an application. You should open Safari and visit the official NetMirror portal, which will automatically redirect you to the latest working URL for the service. To make it feel like a real app, you can click on the File menu in Safari and select the option to add dock. This creates a dedication icon on your desktop that opens NetMirror in its own Windows 11 without all the browser toolbars getting in the way. Alternatively, you can use an Android emulator like Bluestacks or Momo Player Pro to download the NetMirror APK file and run it in a virtual environment.